In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable the new VPN button in Brave browser. If you use Brave browser regularly, you may have noticed that many toolbar elements can be customized to match your preferences. One of these options is the VPN button, which can either be displayed directly on the toolbar for quick access or hidden to create a cleaner browsing interface. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find this setting and how to turn the VPN button on or off whenever you need it. To get started, launch Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser is open, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the window where you'll find the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on the menu icon to open the browser menu. From the list of available options, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings page, where you can adjust a variety of browser features, privacy options, and interface preferences. After the settings page opens, look toward the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several categories that control different aspects of the browser. From this list, click on Appearance. The Appearance section contains settings related to how Brave looks and how various interface elements are displayed. This is where you can personalize the browser's visual layout and choose which tools are easily accessible from the toolbar. Within the Appearance section, locate and select Customize your toolbar. This feature gives you direct control over the buttons and shortcuts that appear at the top of the browser window. By adjusting these options, you can create a browsing experience that better suits your workflow and personal preferences. Once the toolbar customization panel appears, look for the option labeled VPN. This setting controls whether the VPN button is visible on the browser toolbar. If you'd like the VPN button to appear on the toolbar, click the toggle switch next to VPN to turn it on. Once enabled, the button will become visible, allowing you to quickly access Brave's VPN feature whenever you need it. This can be especially convenient if you frequently use the VPN service and want immediate access without navigating through menus. If you prefer a cleaner and less cluttered toolbar, simply click the same toggle switch to turn it off. When disabled, the VPN button will be removed from the toolbar, giving you a more streamlined browser interface while keeping the feature hidden from view. After selecting your preferred option, the change takes effect immediately, so there's no need to restart the browser. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to enable or disable the VPN button in Brave browser and customize your toolbar to better match your browsing preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.